With a little patience, hard work, and effort, you too can make your very own duck bacon. This is a Moulard duck breast. It's from a duck that's raised for foie gras. A nice, beautiful rack of wonderful, marvelous, plump duck warlocks. If you ever wondered why bacon has that pink tinge to it, it's because it's cured. To make bacon, duck bacon in this case, we must cure. This is just a 2.5% kosher salt and 0.25% curing salt solution along with some spices. Pop the breast in the cure and stir every day or two. Now we gotta wait a week. After about a week, you should have something that looks kind of like this. So it's kind of tough to see, but the color is definitely different. It's a little more oranger. Okay, so slight change of plans. Instead of letting the duck breast sit and develop a pellicle for 1 day, life got in the way and it's been about 9 days, 8 or 9 days. It doesn't smell at all, it looks cool. It kind of looks like it's starting to dry age to an extent. On the back here you can see. So we are going to introduce this thing to le smoke and see what happens. Most bacon is made by cold smoking, or in other words, smoked then cooked, but I don't have access to a cold smoker, so into the hot smoke it goes. Hot smoke is meant to smoke and cook the meat at once. After a nice low and slow smoke bath, I wrapped the breast in cling film to chill it down before slicing. The skin here, this nice layer of fat, is going to be what's gonna make our duck bacon, like, actually bacony. You'll see. Because I hot smoked this stuff, you can actually eat it right now, right away. You don't have to cook it, but I like to crisp it up in the pan because it tastes better. That strip of fat, that's gonna render real nice in the pan.
Whatever you do not gaze through the eyes of Belial.
Duck bacon in the hair. To store le bacon, wrap it tight in a plastic bag, pop it in the fridge. You can also freeze it to make it last longer. I like to vac seal mine to make it last really long. I like to enjoy my duck bacon nice and crispy. I'm gonna pop this on some toast, maybe with a nice runny egg, a little cheese under that, crispy bacon on top, chives, and crunchy textured salt. Quack, quack, my good people.